Come test drive the 2021 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher.